In this video, we're going to discuss scripted action groups, which is a new feature we've added in the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.8 release, which allows administrators to bundle up a set of scripted actions into a group, which can then be applied in all instances where you would apply a scripted action, such as host pool creation or rebuild of a device, for example. In order to configure a scripted action group, navigate to the scripted action menu and the new scripted action option at the bottom. You can see we have an option to add a scripted action group. So I'm going to go ahead and create a test scripted action group. You can specify tags if required, and then we can add our selection of scripted actions. So in this instance, I'm going to look for some individual Windows desktop scripted actions. So in this instance, virtual desktop optimizations, let's say optimize Edge for WVD or AVD as it is. And let's update Windows 11. Great. Now we've created that group, I can save and close. And we can see that that scripted action group has been created. We can edit this if required, move options around within the scripted action group, or add additional or change them if we need to. We also have the option to clone and delete if required. So if I then move on to a location where I can use that group, let's go to our host pool properties, VM deployment, and let's run a scripted action when a host VM is created. So we'll enable this. You can see that at the very bottom of our list, we have scripted action groups available to us. It's very handy to include a description of what this group will be doing, either in the description itself or in the name. But additionally, we do, if you hover, offer the ability to see the scripts that are included in this scripted action. And as you can see, they're also located to the side of the scripted action itself. I'm going to select this. You can see that we just have a single scripted action listed, or scripted action group rather listed, but we do have the option to include additional as well. So perhaps I'll want the Zoom VDI client installed as well. This scripted action group simply operates as a list of scripted actions would, so it operates in reference to the other scripted actions in this list. So if I move install Zoom first, this would happen first, and then our actions within the group would happen afterwards. Or if I leave it as it was, we know that the Zoom install will happen after the actions in the scripted action. I then simply have to click Save and Close. And that scripted action group will be available and assigned to this host pool as and when new hosts are created within it. I hope this will simplify administrative activities. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you again.